Hey queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today's video we will be doing a unboxing as well as a review that is by YITAHOME, which you guys know I have collabed with them once before. I think probably about 3 times before, if I'm not mistaken, maybe more than that. But basically what I'm saying today, we're basically doing another collaboration, and we're gonna be doing a unboxing of this beautiful bed that I picked out. It is a queen size bed, so anything with the links and everything will all be down below so you guys can check it out, so you can be able to check it out for yourself. You also can find it in my Amazon storefront, and I will leave the link as well to the actual site. So with that being said, queens and kings, if you're a new one here just stopping by, hello, my name is Valerie. Over here we do all things home decor as well as lifestyles vlogs. And to my old royalties, hello queen, hello king, I love you guys so much and I truly appreciate you. So now with that being said, let's jump into this unboxing. So we have here is the headboard, and it is a royal blue velvet modern style headboard. So let's put this together. All right, queens and kings, so basically I just took everything out of the box and just laid it out how pretty much it's gonna be in this room here. I'm assuming this is the footboard. Those are the sides rails. Just following the letters because they do have letters on each one. I'm like, that's C2, this is B, that is C1. Then you have another C2 here. Then you have another C1 here. Then the sides to hold up the headboard, we got E here. Then these are the side flaps also as well. So this how I'm assuming that it actually look, because I have not took none of the instructions or screws out, so I just wanted to lay it out first so I could really have an idea of how I'll be pretty much going along with this. And now we're gonna get ready to go ahead and finish unboxing the rest of this. So therefore we can actually put this together. All right, so here's everything for the screws, the legs, the feet, however you want to pronounce it, it's up to you. Then we have these parts here. I'm not sure what these are. I guess those are joints to hold it up or whatever. In the middle to get some support on the sides. We don't know. We're finna figure it out. I have not found. Okay, here we go. Here go the instructions. All right, so yes, these are the instructions of putting the bed together. Who like follow instructions? Nobody, but there's a reason for the instructions to come with it. But hey, we're gonna see. All right, we got one part up, as well as J. So these go in the middle to connect them together. All right, Queens and Kings, so I done this. This was J, if I didn't mention that or not, but all you had to do is just basically connect them together, slide it in, unscrew the screw, and slide this on there and re-screw the screw to tighten it up, so therefore it hold and support these two pieces together, which is C2 as well as C1. And I also have done this side too as well. So now we're moving on to the footboard portion of this. So we got the two legs to put on there to anchor it, to stand it up. And we're gonna use the two of those end screws, well, 4 of them in all, to connect those together. So let's go ahead and get that started. All right, so we got that done. Now we're about to get ready to connect all 3 pieces, 2 sides, as well as the base. Right. So we got that part attached. Now we're gonna attach the opposite end to the headboard, and we're gonna need 4 of the Q screws. Okay, so are y'all still watching? So we done moved to step 6 now. We're basically about to attach the rails in between the bed. So that's basically what gonna support the mattress and the boards to go across so the mattress can sit on top of. So pretty much we're almost done. We're almost to the finish line. Y'all still watching? Y'all are still going along with the instructions? So I'm assuming this is I, this is G, this has to be H. Yes, this is H. Okay. All right, so we need to use the H, I, and K in 2 P's. All right, Queens and Kings, I apologize. My camera did cut off and I did not know it had done cut off on me, but all I did was unscrew the screws here, loosen those up, so therefore I can attach H here to it. This portion here is K and this portion here is I. So that's all we did for the middle part there, and now we're gonna attach this portion here, which is G. And pretty much it's gonna go on there just like that, center in the middle. Just like that. And we're gonna screw it down. All right, Queens and Kings, so now we're about to attach the wings on the bed. That's pretty much what I call them. So, place 1 screw through this one, like that. I apologize if I'm in the way. It wasn't working out. Then we got this one. We attach this one down here. And then we attach the screws. So one here. Promise you I can't do no with these big fingernails on. All right, so we got that done. So the boards that we do have on here, they are, what you call it, Velcro. So it's easy to attach and detach, which is good because, you know, some beds have like the screws and that is so aggravating. But it did not take long at all. It probably took me about an hour because the camera kept stopping. But other than that, it pretty much was easy to put together, self-explanatory, as you all seen in the beginning. Queens and Kings, so this is the completed bed. It is beautiful. It have a pretty modern style. As you all can see, it's a flat back, but the color is beautiful. But this is how she is, how she look. It is a queen size bed. It's a platform style bed, as you all can see, and I love it. It's beautiful blue. Gorgeous, right? All right, Queens and Kings, so that is going to be it for today's video. But before we go, we're going to give a big shout out to YITAHOME for actually collaborating with me on this gorgeous bed. And I am so much loving. So we know once we get the mattress and everything on, it's going to all come together though. But I want to show you guys pretty much this very beautiful unboxing. But if you all actually enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. All the links will be down below, so therefore you can check them out, get a discount as well. So don't forget to check out each and every one of the links however you want to purchase it. And if you do purchase it, I do appreciate you all. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And with that being said, you guys continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tilt, but it damn sure won't fall. Bye bye.